Welcome everyone to Slap Battles. A lot of you have been trying to get your hands on the brand new Swashbuckler Glove, and in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to unlock it. Before we dive into how to get it, here's a look at the glove itself. As you can see, it's a pirate-themed glove, and yes, you get a massive bowl with it too. Just by the looks of it, this could be one of the coolest gloves we've seen added in a while. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get this glove? So here's what I've done. I've dropped a link in the comment section of this video where you can go and check out how to obtain it. As soon as we figure out the exact obtainment method, it'll be available right there in that link. Tons of people are trying to get it right now, so if you want to be one of the first, that's your best bet. Since the update has just gone live, it might take a little time to fully figure out how to unlock the glove, but once we do, you'll find all the steps in the link below. This will save you time jumping from video to video where nobody's showing the real method. Hopefully this video helped you get closer to unlocking the new glove in Slap Battles. Peace out.